Yet the door ni besi ha. Wuwuramu a wapia kwantuo. Wuwuramu na wawura wo yiedie. Wuwuramu na wawura wawadie. Bebia wo bia fa hye wotiri se ye be yesunsum nnwuma wo atonsu aputioja. Tena kwanya no so. Sorry. Santana so. Sorry. Santana so. Sorry. Santana so bi. Sorry. Santana so. Sorry. Nante braha na san nante kotena so. Power. Ade we ya wo yi. BBC e wo voter regions ese. Me hu bosom oho. Ena omaye covenant. Ena papa etiri hyase. Eti di omo ye ne se ha na obeba abesua obeye den e wo wiase. Wo ye den kura munyi na ye. Wo betimi aba asore ha. Obeba abesom aye di obeye bia. So many years. More credit nkofo a ono kura mo fare nka ho. Eti eye honhom ena di na chi na awurade say mensa wo ne so. Mensa wo ne so. Me kan say mensa wo ne so pe. Me hu ya say me ne papa na kwakwa ko pie eye bato voter region bato ye gina bato station ho makoma nimu te matre school ba ko mienu ena mahunu asore dan ena mahunu say ya fa ni sei ya tra edan ba ko mienu miensa ena mahunu wo fie me kokopie fie ho omo se ehana family ya from alodome. Wow.
Yes sir. Senior.
From day one, I'm saying me monitor from the social media and television. I have never doubted him because I see him to be a true man of God. And me myself, I wanted to come and test it and see, say enokare is enokare. And me ba ha so me say yes, enokare pa. The man is truly a stacia, and he's from God.
I heard him mentioning some names. Seriously, to me, it will be very difficult for me to pronounce. So I want you to say it according to how he said it. How true is that?
Well, yes. My real name is Edem Alodome. I'm from Bato, and from the direction he gave, it's exactly where I come from. Nobody will ever show me my direction just like that. So I was amazed when he gave me that direction. This even tells me that indeed, what I've been perceiving in the house, watching him every day, is true about him.
Holiness of Christ our ministry. Ya dia kwanchire be gwo kwam kwasi ada ya. Ye nyina ye behia wa ha. Na wuwura do ni so ne ya tachire. Na ye tete. Enuema bia nkoye wo hyebre so. Me hwe wanim sei, na mahunu wo hawo. Me hunu wo hawo ka kire wi a, na me dia kwanchire ato fo mama. Na minim se wo bedi adanse kwasi ada yi. Kumase atonsu aputuoja. Ya boa ye ho se meye nyame akoa. Wa ye mawura de prekope. Me bia wo biara me ton safrawo ewo kumase atonsu aputuja ye be wura do nim. Mama one number near Aya wukunu awai make us some try the
Some number.
okay
One more Sama Jesus.
me trust on my number. Who when someone can ready by your people? Number where I some number. A ready catch them some number way. A yes, some my number. Obi ura get him what the young wooden. O wooden was someone can say, Nipa will cool, Mikunu Benjamin, sir. Tuesday, no, on no so movie.
Dimafo,
Mama, look at me. Who is Benjamin? Benjamin Ajete. Ah. Your husband was having a friend. I am seeing a friend as people is who people is your friend say. Oh, Equiapim. Your husband was having a friend. Ne nyonko no ewo Equiapim aburi people is. This issue is private matter. But you were supposed to die with him. And it didn't work. It didn't work today. Now I'm seeing something. This is what I'm seeing. You went to church this January. On the 4th of January, I am seeing you were having service at ICGC. Hosanna Temple. You were having first fruit service. First fruit service, the one who led you for that service is Professor Duncan. I am seeing this woman holding something like a seed, praying on it, saying, God, protect me and my family. But the husband doesn't believe. This woman believes. And it worked for this woman, it didn't work for the husband. God has spoken to me that there are some people out there who owe this man. They owe him 75,000 Ghana cedis. They will never come to pay. But God said, I should tell this woman something. The ghosts will go and hang them. They will bring the money.
Amen.
Can I prophesy?
Apanchida da kwa munie ye chenyanka sika 100 cedis na wunya chenyanka sika 100 cedis a me wade a me de be ma wo me de ade ne hye wonsam a ye de ade ne be ya akwankyere anajo 12 o'clock ade be che e be bo 9:30 na wudi adanse.
Well, I will tell everybody watching me that if you have anything in mind, any doubt in mind, and you need a direction, please go no elsewhere. Come to Ojaba. He will direct you and put you straight to where you belong, and you'll be free in life. All your doubt will be settled. So all of you come, my fellow men of God, great men of God, come and then enjoy this wonderful atmosphere.
Mama,
Papa,
me bompa yama me sama wa koma so ade na bemu ne na tie Assemblies of God won't come. Yes, sir. Amen. Won't come Assemblies of God. You don't belong there. Amen. And you don't belong to my church. Amen. You are a leader on your own.
Boom.
So one discover that way. Oh boy. Oba brel rough. Me say eho. Omo nchew o partner ho. Tina ho sa ebe kakra asofo ni betwa ntorato so no afiri ho. Wo be ku wani mase. Winim. Eye ade a Awurade ahyede ato wo se. Wo nkwanko share asodi bi mu. Na mom you will start as a fellowship, then you build it gradually. Kakra. Na afei ebe kakra. Na wasan the herbal medicine asan touch. Wow. Because me no kasa sesi a oka wow me hu ya se watwe bana na me hu si ya twro kedi. Hello.
Yes.
well, I work with Kedi Herbal Industry. That is where I work currently.
You don't belong to Assemblies of God. Me found some can say na mo betame. Nipa no so enye ho no wa obeba be ma mu problem. Me so obey dai. And now say enye ho no wo nti. He will not be there to support. He will be there to destroy. because he doesn't belong there. Eti say enya wo sa na betwe na free ho a obewo ho, but enam say enya ne tena bia no ho no ade bia ama meboa no opposite side ebeba be dey be say. So he has to move from there on pass so the be no one serve oguso or serve no building itself no was shast yet is a fellowship no wo bompaye na build one day you understand me. It is a when tie the American now. What the enemy we are saying,
Papa, this is all that I am looking for. This is exactly what I am looking for. And my coming here, I am fulfilled.
Yenshia ewo kumase atonso putuja. Kwesi ada ebe na wo hyebere enka fom da. Minim se yewia adanse akese nkofo din wo Accra no. Eha yenso ebedi bi. Me ton safro kwesi ada we ya me pacho. Emu obi nka ntro se sunsum nioma ni ho. Sunsum nioma wo ho. Ewo ho ye adwuma. Mark chapter 5. Na gadara bodam for na ho moni adore no. So debra na awurade on fire so na wo mo nyame onhyira wo.
I have a wonderful gentleman here.
Okay.
He says he applied for visa. For 4 months, he was still waiting for them.
Okay.
He said, no, I have been asking myself, if people have been passing here, why don't I come to meet the states here?
Okay.
So he came after 3 months. When he came, you gave him a direction to go and do. He said, after he was done with the direction, exactly 3 weeks, he has gotten 7 years Canadian visa.
Said brother, oh, you're in the house. I've already told you that if you come here with your faith, you will never regret coming.
Yes, sir.
Me ya de de ama wo wife na wone ne namwa na ono no de honkonkron na protect wo.
Amen. Amen.
Winim mumienu winim sanka da achi bia ka mu bejai.
No prepa.
Ka mu bejai wa
no me kona. Papa nyezi. Because you see am in the fie ba kum. So my yama is wakwatena opa fie. Ene
papa fie.
And I come so e wo ma me.
Eti mumienu mu hihim eti omo ye ni seche we say ye team. But oba we say so ne honhom ne kata wo so.
Posem. Ah na sam no ya.
Eba. Mu peja ne mame. Say na kamoda achetie. Obefi ni papa fie aba. Obeba be kan wo. Mu be sha sese mu ye adwuma. Wo be hu asem adwuma peja bum sika beba. Sika na ebeba no. Ebeba yin seche we so obi di na adwuma beba be hye mo nsa. Mo yes adwuma na adwuma na generate sika be wura mo adwuma nim na epeja adwuma no ti mo mienu benye sika na mo asi dan mo be si dan mo si dan ni wia mo be san so abie mo am shop na mo tonton no ma ka ho afa no ma ne be fa burachire ana me hunu te said ye omo save sika na mo mienu aye joint account na mo save sika was Stanbic Bank.
Papa be bi kura dara e wo ho. Hey! Yes, sir. Woman, I do, man. Nainia, and I said, to be a Yabato. I appear to be. Hallelujah.
Mami, ote voice. Na voice na what no e ka kire ne say awade no wo wade wieye e na wo honto ubiem wo wade wieye onkoso wo wade wieye asa waye mobo enu ti wo hunu ne ho say o ka achi because say na wo nyan ware ye na wo kɔ nanim o wade wieye o hu so enu ti ote voice e ka kire say jawade na kɔ but say na wade twa kire me hunu say mu mienu maka bom na ma register company na ma to din say give Jessific enterprise na mo nya sika but awie ya no mo mienu mo ko gina court e na wo yes smart e na wo ko fa lawyer bi say omra metwitwa njew e yes a wo ba ni sisiw ti me hunu say wakwa ko fa lawyer bi e friend Frederick ejakwa ye boa se omra medi na asa
lawyer kese pa no
wo lawyer kese pa no but oh yeah antentam etimi hunu se ye hye mo se mo nton ejapade na mo nchem tu na obi anko ne baabi
na wasan baba besi abrabo achi wentimi anko wanim obey nso koye oba no nso kokowuye at the age of 54
my God
and awurade ka kire me say oh how way no self na hyehyɛ ade di omanim ene menka omumom biem na menka nkyira safo awurade me say omra medi monim kan ya fro Gideon na Gideon Jesse and awurade be yon kwaje abotai
mama yanka fu Yehowa nanimu na kwaji wa esasa yakutunu na yada nasi nanimu na kwaji wa esasa yakutuwa na yada wasi na umu na kwaji
enya wade ne nko ma wo say
number 4 pastor
eti moa matimi ahenham awo nan
4
na sister wakotena papa fie no o pa kire say
bisano
matimi ajeje ho awo nan afedi we kotena ha we so kotena ha awade we ewu da
amen
ewu
amen